Hey guys, welcome to the demo of my new game. We've started off in snowy weather, so some things have gone well with the game and some things have not gone so well. So I am actually going to have to restart, but nothing is lost. Everything actually is going to be okay, but I am going to start again. I'm going to build it from the ground up because there's certain issues that have occurred because of the way that I built the game, not knowing anything to begin with about Unreal Engine. So one thing I've learned is you do have to build a game from the ground up. So I should have built all the roads, got all the roads and navigation working before anything else, because there's issues with the navigation. But some things are working okay. Obviously you can see we do have animals in the game now. Shouldn't have been going through the door, but we have cats and we have pigeons, and it's done a really good job of the pigeons. Well, not putting its head through the door necessarily, but the behaviour is really good. I researched animal behaviour and programmed the AI animals with behaviours. So we've got the shopkeeper that you can talk to.
You buying or browsing? Browsing costs nothing but my patience.
That accent's pretty good, just how I wanted. And it's done with
It's Oakhaven. It's always moist.
text to
Next
speech.
question. No offense, so you the oh no, it's offensive. Out by 9, please. Mind how you go. Buy something next time.
So yeah, really good. Let's have a look elsewhere. We've got the hydroponics shop. This guy is having trouble crossing the road at the moment. That's part of the navigation problems. I've got a 100-story block of flats there, a pub called the Slag and Slurry, which is going to be a Weatherspoon style pub. We've got the sign that swings in the wind there, and there's the hydroponics shop. It's not going to open because the guy, all those things are outside of the shelf there. I'm going to have to restock this shop completely and alter the way that you order products. But we do have a working pelican crossing. As soon as the lights change, he should cross, but something is stopping him. It's because I told it so that the NPCs won't cross the road if they're near a crossing. So that is the problem. You do have to be quite careful with Claude Code when you're telling it to do things. But I think it would have worked a lot better if I set everything up from the ground up. So in the massage shop, I've got a radio station playing. Oh, a hair just disappeared then. We've got a bit of a hair issue, but we can have a chat. Let's ask about massage. Because there's no girls in to do the massage, she's asked me to come back later. If we do try to get up there, she's going to chase after us. I'm not going to do that because she will actually block us in the shop. And I've got some other stuff to show you, like the fish and chip shop. So we've got a menu for the fish and chips. They do a meal deal here that I do recommend. So let's order the meal deal.
We're an institution, not a drive-through.
The buy button was missing there, so that's something else I need to fix. I've got a long list of fixes to do. So now he will prepare the food. There's a few problems with the animation that need fixing. Obviously he shouldn't be going through there. He should be at the other side of the room really with the fryer. But he's got, I think he's forgotten a drink. Or is that the drink there? Anyway, let's try to pick it up.
Evening Friar's hot. Patience isn't.
It's a little bit tricky because he's going to think that I'm speaking to him and I just want to pick it up. So again, something else we've got to fix. I have picked it up. I don't know if that drink is intended for me there. Anyway, let's take the food out. So, when you eat your food, press E to eat, and then I'm left with the packaging. So you can either drop the packaging on the floor or you can put it into any bin. So you could put it into this bin here, but let's try dropping it on the floor. So if you drop litter on the floor in this game, it will persist until it's picked up. So we'll pick it up. Wow, it's just left a mark in the snow. That's good. That's something, it's actually part of Unreal Engine. So let's put it into the recycling bin. And now it has disappeared, but it is inside that bin. When I build the bin men, they will take it away. So now let's go to the block of flats. So this is Radworth Flats. It's got music playing. It's got a reception desk. There are loads of rooms to explore. None of them furnished out yet. And we have lifts. We've got an even lift and a odd lift. So let's go to the odd lift. I wouldn't recommend going in the even lift. The lift might break down and you might have to climb up out of this hatch. So let's go to the top floor. The doors close and the lift starts moving. So it's going to take some time to get to the top. We've not got a lot of time in this video, so let's teleport to the top, and we're now at the top of the tower. It's 4 PM in the game time. Let's have a look. We can see the town down there covered in snow. Oak Haven is covered in snow. One of the reasons I might take out this 100-story tower is because you can see the edge of the map from up here. And I don't want the player to know how large or small the map is. So that's going to change. In here, we have the nightclub set up. It's not in the perfect setup just yet. And there is a strange vibration up here. And I'm not sure what that is caused by. See, there's a jitter for some reason. If you have any idea why that might be, I don't know if it's because the building is so high and it's a windy day. Let me know in the comments if you have any idea. So the sun is about to set. Let's speed up the time and the disco should start. So the sun is set in there. It's now sunset time, 5:55 PM. We've got lovely lights pointing up into the sky. Now I accidentally deleted the lighting rig, but I can put that back quite easily. There'll be a lighting rig up there and dancers on the dance floor, and I'm so annoyed. I actually got the dancer working and all choreographed with the music, but there was a bit of a conflict because she was also the girl who works in the massage parlour, and when her shift starts she floats off and she is somewhere in the sky. Where is she? Can't see her at the moment, but let's just wait 5 minutes and the music should start at 7 PM. There we go. All of the music is specially written for the game.
here. I said, give me the special, no hold back the thrill. I want the happy and they put it on the bill. She's out, sweet, give a wink and a nod. And hand me a steaming cup of Earl Grey, coat, massage and extras looking on the back. Making some treatment that keeps us on track. Looking for a happy ending at the end of the day. A hot brew and a biscuit, what more can I say? Massage.
Let's see if we can find a dancer.
Her hands move down right past my hair. Getting ready for a proper special trip. I thought she was wishing for something quite clear, but she pulled out a giant hot water bottle or a pot. You thought it was rude, she laughed out loud. We keep it strictly legal in front of the crowd. She rubbed in the lotion, smooth and slick. Working on my
Can't find her, but let's have a look from the ground. From the ground, there she is. So she's actually dancing to the music. She should be on the dance floor. Now I need to find out where she spawns in the game. But if we go into the other shop that's got music in it, there should be music in this shop, then we could have seen her dancing. You can see all the NPCs there have spawned. We've got quite a lot of them now, and they are busy crossing the crossing. So when that light changes to red, it's time for them to cross in true British style. So please let me know what you think of the game. Is this something that you might want to play? What features should I add next? Yeah, we've got a lot of shops. I want to add the betting shop that will have playable games in there, like roulette and horse racing, scratch cards, that kind of thing. We've got lots of houses where we can add more people. We need a cafe. What else? Do you think these trees are okay, or should I add more realistic trees and hedges? What do you think of the houses? Does it look like British houses that you might recognise? And the street lights, I think they're a bit too white. We need to make these have a yellower light, I think. What's that there? Oh, that's one of the cats. Oh, he's got stuck because of the navigation issue. See, we've got randomly spread litter. The bin men haven't been round and cleared that up for a while. Oh, another cat that's got stuck here. Unfortunately. We should have a cat running around. These bins have got messy, haven't they? What's been going on with these bins? Police car's got stuck. That guy looks like doing something. What's he doing with the car? Is he walking on top of the car? I didn't know they could do that. Just walking around randomly, even into the buildings. A lot of them crossing the road. It's going mental. So yes, I'm going to start again right from the beginning. I'm going to build from the ground up, bring in the good things that are working in the game, and get rid of the things that aren't working well. And I'm very excited to try Opus 5, which has just come out from Claude. It's supposed to be nearly as good as Fable and at half the price. So let's get all these things fixed. Subscribe. Please like the video. It would definitely help more people to see it. And if you can, swipe across and click on hype to hype this video if you like game dev or using AI for creative things like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Until then, bye for now.